Hello everyone, this is Nafis Imtiaz. I'm here with Gloria Pierre, the president of Clearly Speaking. We'll be talking about networking. Thanks for your time today.
You're very welcome.
So to start with, my first question to you is, what is networking?
Networking is the activity of connecting with people, connecting with maybe one person or a group of people to exchange information and resources for professional and social reasons. It is something that in North America we need to be doing all the time because everything that we need, somebody else has and somebody else can help us to get it.
So why is networking so important for the newcomers?
When newcomers come to Canada, they may not have a lot of family or support here. Networking allows them to go out into the community, to meet new people, extend their database. It helps them to integrate faster into Canadian society. It helps them to socialize more easily because now they will be talking to so many people. It helps them to reduce nervousness, especially when they are going for an interview, because the same skills that are used in interviews are the same skills that are used in networking. For example, making small talk, answering questions, introducing yourself. And it also helps them to get to know the lay of the land, where things are, where resources are, and so forth.
So what are the essential skills for networking?
The essentials are smiling, because smiling connects you with that person immediately. It's introducing yourself, it's making small talk and eye contact, because in some cultures, the eye contact and the introducing yourself or even handshakes are not present. So those are the skills: eye contact, smiling, introducing yourself, and handshakes.
So how do the newcomers develop these skills?
By observing and maybe having a mentor if possible, but observing most of all and coming in with an open mind, because regardless of where they come from, they have certain perceptions, and those perceptions may not be true here in Canada. So just coming with an open mind and learning to ask questions and not feel self-conscious when they are doing networking.
So my next question is to how to do networking purposefully and memorably.
What they should be doing to make a very purposeful and memorable impression is listen more than they talk. Because by listening more than they talk, they will be hearing what the other person is saying, and everybody is looking for something or the other. And you may think you're the only one who's looking for something, but no, that other person that you're speaking to is looking for something. And you may not realize it, but you probably can help that person. So don't think because you've just come to Canada that you don't have anything to offer. You probably have a lot more than you know, and you will only discover that when you're in conversation with someone. So the most important thing is when you're networking, go out with the intention of helping someone first before asking for their help, because nobody is going to help you if you don't develop a relationship with them. If you're a stranger, they will be very skeptical and will probably outright say no. But if you show more generosity and you offer to help them first, guess what? They will remember that and they will want to reciprocate.
So to wrap up, I would like to ask you, how to do the follow-ups after networking?
The most important part of follow-up is the result of that listening I was talking about earlier, because when you're speaking to someone and you are listening, they are telling you what it is they want, and they may not even realize it. So the one way I follow up is I remember what that person wants. They could be talking about maybe getting a vet for their dog, and I'm here in Canada just a couple of months ago, but guess what? My neighbor was talking to me about the vet, and he is very pleased with that service. So I would follow up in this way. I would email that person and say, it was wonderful meeting you, and by the way, you were concerned about getting a vet for your dog. I have a contact for you. And again, that person will be very grateful. The other thing is when you are following up, don't bombard them with emails saying, guess what, you said you were going to do this and you're not doing it. Just give that person space. You don't know the person. This is where you are developing that relationship. So take your time and don't rush it. You have to show your best side to this person for them to want to develop a relationship with you.
Gloria, thank you so much for being with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.